It's Ankole Media thing this. I myself Brady Sparks and one savage on it. So right about now nano Dan MVP mbe nabagambe tinkwenda kumwanza because he's Dan MVP tindi chinde chonjira yetu. Also so Dan MVP chimwebira bakuturira.
Kaburisho mwebare kukunda MVP abakwa love imunyerekero mu Western Uganda tekabagaho ayinkuza hona mgamanye kutambura kigira abantu bakunteganisa anigire no mumotoka bo kuntere mikono baba minji bagwana ngo baze bambuga nabanyakora that means ngo kintu watch packaging aje abantu bakunda niza kura nakwereza drive around town ore abantu ngire bakunyikirizamo umeyo kucenga ngo MVP ne MVP omurimbarara serious rakwa
bakwicaririza mu bata
nkuza almost nimfuna free services cost yeri nga 100% shanganisha shura half ahandi bajata abone MVP narahandi nyamabanja because they believe in MVP. So uri muntu wana here build the value, building a brand yawe oshanga eri easy to be associated with.
So, Dani, that is Dani MVP for you. Dani watanka kwegamba right naona abasaga mapaka nchakare.
Kali yariwe. Tore tukakare Vegas no babeshongoza nkaba bugana sessions nkanya nti uyu washahezo consultations because nganta kwenda but disappoint bugemo nkameza time frame yo kumbuganiramo.
So Dan MVP, this is November. November, and we have got this is a busy month ahead of us. November to mushozi ibiri. First nzagamba irizobe ya kunana live experience. Kunana live experience kigamba kubanga beshongozi. Tabara abinji tabara contented line pay barebere nebebuza bwinshi bataroho. Think manyoba the right person oshe mekwa nimbuze chibuze but you can if there's anything echo akobasa kugamba yecho.
Initially kunana concept yeke iriyo kukoresa first of all nasako yabatine budget ya beshongozi, right? Jango why don't I invest in my social capital ba MCs na ba DJs abari bacaribe yabakusiba nabo washenga. So yiza yafuna sponsorship ya Aquafina afakwina ya merezo mweshongozi Truth 256. Of course nyina beshongozi banje binakubenye nango ba performing amukoro gwa kunana but akanje ngo tabine mplan niko muntu umukoro gwa guriyo gweye tokuza nubo bori MVP when you respecting a decision yo muntu yakugira ngo tabine ha plan sponsor na mwitaga mwiro mweshongozi you just let it pass. So bena beshongozi ba complaining kunana tabesire wenko muntu akozira umukoro gwe takwetaga beshongozi. So ibo mweshongozi were disappointed kunana tabasize kuchoosing a line up yeye meaning I be in the decision wenko muntu era amakore. Kana this also goes back to established artists who have not promoted his show. First of all, it's not about a performance supporting umuntu. It can be a tweet, it can be a Facebook post, it can be a WhatsApp status update supporting achi show y'umuntu. Reka tukirebere supporting umuntu ko kuzo mushow ye because you need the MC. That's why na Israel kakacha identifying akaja kumwaje kuzo music no mwa consulting ye mukusema nimujumira ba MC mutubako mentioning meaning wori umuntu akamano pushing maybe kakunana nafuna feedback ngino umuntu abena promoting maybe nawe yari yokwe yari cyeshongoro cyawe afuna ko kuyakira byo platforms so echakunana mburekere mu style ye kukwenze gakore kintu minka MVP aho go there and attend. Why I go there is to meet different people interacting nabo cracking deals kagira photo opportunities na different socialites kwenangu industry ya Western Uganda erugeyo. That's why I believe I should in a red carpet experience. It's an interview zaimla scoring him aba Ankole Media. So umuntu ari okabera disappointing kunana tamuronzire please. That was his plan kurangutia ko sabesho ngozi event ye he packaged it for MCs and DJs.
Then still on the same issue abantu abastination cyabataka change because echinchi gender this which applying na show era bene kurata the aftermath of this yakacheche ambarabo experience abantu amene bebuza MC na holding atasacha concert naza ko bayemerira a stage from the start to the end tabakuchenga how these MCs do it.
Actually nyine nanka issue na kacheche cause nyine na shafuri abo kuba ngenzire namukora PR yatashafurire wakireba akaba buri muntu nambuza MVP because think my one babatina buri muntu nana join MVP ambuza tkacice nakwemera stage from shazinga ku performinga akumayiminga arya karaoke no the plan is like this. Even me next year I'm planning something on the MVP side. What you need to know, people like Kacheche have built a reputation over a long time and they've built a following, and the best way to re-energize the following or to reboot his brand is no coaching to chiri measurable. So that thing Kacheche yana negotiating a deals for endorsements nka brand ambassador, deals zo kubanka nka MCLs wakujya ati nyine command y'abantu, so that's his basis ku commanding a certain pay. Wachireba they don't do these things because I in a social capital I never Kenzo I never ba Spice Dana lebe na Regi ya cropping ayete karwajugwa gwa Kenzo bananka
Regi ayete karwajugwa Kenzo
ni bo ku designing poster ibe facts zamanu we abitandishire facts zamanu kuba muhire ngo akore poster yo witukabare nawe yayifura umuhango wa poster kantara performing no ku performinga mukorogo batakena ku poster kera sasa nyamure ko muhango so team designing poster ne kwa Regi ya mukoropinga muteka rojugwa Kenzo akwa Regi to kwasa kuleta Spice na Kenzo bari national figures okareta regional figure kamwinganisa na Kenzo so kwa no muteko ombandi ikintu bakachigitera
noteka nguwe which ncho chakweli because you know sakwa no rangu worth any age, but he seems to be big.
He's big but on the regional basis, so ashimekwa ari mu level mwe ba regional artists ba truth shana ba option yo gukora anankanka nkeke zembaka ukakora yiguruka cyane no so mbakubanza bakora nanka shiba so nanka Spice na Kenzo bakabakora bahango, then Regi bakamuteka akaza hansi, then ba truth no bakakora ki truth na Tipor bakafuna level yabo, then abandi bakayora ba Rudi mbona bakiza hansi. But the moment that Regi ari abazugwa Kenzo no, that's misrepresenting product y'omuntu ashimira atashimira atari abazugwa Kenzo. So what I'm trying to say, so nanka abantu Kacheche akozere kintecho to build his brand. His role na abasa ku taking up responsibility yo kushanga ngo wara introducing abahango abo, so while introducing them naza kuba na maybe na saying more about himself. Yo muntu ari sharp. I respect him to be working on a documentary right now. Yara playing jire abantu abarije kumukavaringa ki abarije kumureba mukoro, and ekintu kushamanonga he has to make sales on tables. That's why he's going to make money, but the turn up y'abantu I pray he gets a good number, but I don't expect an overwhelming number. So ni mushabera munonga selling munonga tables, that's why there is money. Yaguza tables zenka 10, that's good money for him to start life. Na waruga bizgere avuge motoka
abono tatera munonga
ano Kacheche brand yarashimikwa na avuka nanamba muvuka na watashimikwa takurwanira boda ati mu VP mparifuti no hashimikwa na atari yareve yo kushanga ki ariyo motoka iri mu AC kwa majuta eturge mu half tank na full tank akwa yembu VP eturge mu full tank na half tank yakoze yanyene tera kadeyazo mu half tank. So Kacheche naona tunde kumsupport, you support Kacheche, but buri muntu wena kubuza what are people going to do at university in. What they are going to do is to support the brand Kacheche. So he could be having other merchandise, sweaters, t-shirts that are going to be available for people to buy. So we are yetabantu kuba entertained na we kuyongera kutundizi na reye. That's what the show is about. Yeah.
So that is an MVP for you. Can go watch for just was you're expecting nothing but show is it Zabriju. There will be artists to perform and this will be like a whole night show. Then any complete so far in like industry in remarks.
For the music is all TV Western for the interview bege abashamunana konka posters yatanka kuzidistributing ashaye 11 zo mwazo ata naye buza show yahwire na sindikira ki posters. So ati nono yebuza, so that's why an artist ashime kufuna team yo kumuyambaho a promotion wachireba because ati yeri team ne ya scheduling when they are supposed to be released, but maybe as scheduling asikedurinjira omumwazo posta zatandika kusasanya omumwazo show yawe kare ate what does it mean?
Shongaza vari vantu vazienga very of recent. Let's throw back a bit. Inyuma ho very abari scandals in the management stuff like that. What did you have in each one anything about that?
By the way, my comment on management and artists. Nyonisha umuntu wenaanza kuinvestinga on music ya Western Uganda. Ukaza kuronda omweshongozi timu nyabuzare. Tine just nenango msupporting. Just mengo sento no zgabugaba.
So ataka expecting
because anytime they can disappoint you artists whatever, they are not appreciated. Talent you na here is never appreciative. That's why nyonyi no muntu wakuinvestinga omweshongozi. Either abari brother wawe, abari sister wawe, n'abari umucara wawe. Wakireba n'abani creative just umuyambe buyamba kugira ngo umuyamba kugira ngo umunyabuzare. Bari bajya ngo umurango muye musente, it's very hard. Talents are not appreciative because no waza kumuyamba muisate standard level atandike kumanyira ati niyo ni muyamba. So me what I would recommend any investor out there, what you do with these people, with these talents, culture yabe kigenyima, invest in someone who you have an attachment abandi mubareke, because you're going to keep getting disappointment. I don't know what kind of understanding they had with Raccoon, or because me I knew very kamanya through DJ Cream, actually management ya DJ Cream. Nahati I know him because of DJ Cream. Maybe Raccoon I don't have any attachment in a Raccoon, but what I recommend is don't invest in someone who you don't have any bond.
But like issues manager.
No, I'm trying to be realistic because these people. Me, I did management. I do consultancy for management. They consult me on some things. But so my recommendation, the study I've done, I've seen that people, they are not appreciative. They are disappointing at any time, any day. At this year, you are disappointing and family issues in Busot. Then another issue, promotion, by DJ, when you're supporting abana. Mwari mwe kusupporting abeshongozi wa Western Uganda, supporting aba fellow DJs. DJ Max takuza kugwana cheshongoro injondare na sibana yashinza mu VP pushing aba DJ muryana mutera ba.
By the way, about that song, by the way, you made a post. Original ngo, you know, there's some radio station around town because they count down as a DJ Martin. He seemed to be so disappointed kurango injondare tarum, and when he thinks it's been trending.
No, that's his perception. I have respect for him. We na warangu na ndachizeho atanke radio yechizo. Radio stations in the policies in the guidelines kutambura. But when kafan I write you claiming ngo sheme kuba rutinga mu stopping. But we are na warangu commanding ngo chizo mu count down atanke radio yechizem. But it's a good song. But radio stations have policies on how they
countdowns.
Either countdowns or how songs enter the playlists. Different radio stations have their policies. No matter how a song can be viral, there are measures you need to take before you consider a song to feature on your playlist. The song come technical, just be patient. It will one day feature. Watch it. Because the way watch Shero Kachiteka playlist now Kachiteka countdown, he won't see the value of his work. You get it? So he needs to be surprised. To build your esteem among at least you've gone somewhere. So my point was watching DJs make supporting a fellow DJs. Stars and takuza kora very expensive akazana kweguza akakora icyeshongoro na kenzo icyeshongoro kikafa. Aba DJ bambarabona ko kubara bakakora ibyeshongoro byabo byabastamina. That's why even I doubt if they are relevant in the market. Mama basakwa mbombekana music. Because if DJs benyine bakwasa kora ibyeshongoro bekabastamina bikanga kutambura, then will they push ebyabandi bikwate ebyo byabibaremerire. So what I'm saying, mwekore mu murimo, Max has a good song in Jondare mu pushing nkaba DJs chikwateyo.
Icyeshongoro kiri almost like 3 faces if not 4.
Yeah, the headliner is DJ Max, though the video is on Truth's YouTube, but it's headlined Matayo. It's on Matayo's EP. Yeah. So what I'm saying, by DJ, mu pushing ba DJs fellow DJs beshongwe ba show, then we see your value. Akomana ngo burden yona mugereze mu VIP nyondi niza kuyamba buri muntu wena na imumpeze breathing space nimwe ba DJ mbanza mwe mu pushing ebyanyu kubera akwate na imayungu at least mu VIP in alternative akwaye mu VIP umuntu mu VIP twereze hit MVP twereze hit atnyoni zagwa abiyosongo umuntu wona muhereza hit